Hi everyone, I'm KK and I'm part of Ripple Effect. Today I'm going to show you how to use things you have around your home to study erosion. I'm going to demonstrate erosion using this pot full of dirt with a plate underneath and a watering can full of water. Remember, erosion is a natural process that describes the movement or carrying of land by wind or water. Today's experiment is going to focus on water. As I pour the water over the dirt, I want you to make observations. What do you notice first? What kind of changes do you see in the soil surface? Let's take a look. I'm seeing part of the soil break away. It's leaving these little dips. Can you see that? Now I wonder, what will happen if I pour a lot of water on the pot at once? This would be like a bad storm or a prolonged downpour. I wonder if this soil can absorb all the water in my watering can. Okay, it looks like the soil is not able to absorb all the water fast enough. I'm starting to see water and sediment in the plate below. Do you see how water carried sediment to another place? From the pot to the plate below? That's erosion. Learning about erosion is important because erosion changes the shape of land. It can also be hazardous for people. In coastal places, like Louisiana, the land is constantly changing because this is where the sand, rocks, or dirt on the coast is coming into contact with water. Hurricanes and storm surges can introduce so much wind and water that beaches and roadways erode away, and buildings can be damaged if their foundations become weakened by erosion. Next time, let's find out if plants slow soil erosion. In the meantime, if you're following us at home, send us an image or a message on Instagram. If you made your own observations with an erosion model, or if you have any questions, we want to hear about it. This is Water Literacy 101 from Ripple Effect Water Literacy Project. Thanks for watching.